really like old cars, and iba ang charm ng lumang kotse because there's a feeling when you drive it that brings you back in time. Na once you're there, it gives you so much soul. Yung amoy ng gasolina, yung konting amoy ng kalawang, gusto ko yun. I like that. That's irreplaceable for me because it brings me back to where I started. Hello, I'm Kevin from Stans Pilipinas. So, my first car was a Toyota Celica. It was an 86 Celica. And then, I really wanted a Nissan Silvia F14. So, pinagtrabahuan ko siya while studying. Pinagsabay ko doing other things. Basically, parang 2 or 3 jobs just to get an S14. And then, when I had the S14, Stans Pilipinas started with a few friends. So, isa ako sa mga nag-found. And the S14 was there on the side. It was the first car for me na parang demo car ko ng sarili. And then after that, I moved to another S14 and then an S15. So yung path ko is always with the S chassis. And then, but my ultimate dream for the Nissan is the R34. So the story changed when I had an R34 back in 2014 because it's, yun ang dream car ko yan eh. But life changed when COVID hit. I had to sell a car for another car. But luckily, after a few years, nakakuha tayo ng R34 ulit. And we have it now and it's just there. And it's just, wala, yun na yun. I mean, it's me in that car. Wala na yun. I had an S15, which was the pink S15, which I sold a few months ago to give way to a few projects na hindi ko pa pwede sabihin. Pero lalabas din yan. But the R chassis will always be with me. Hindi pwedeng wala. And ito, yung Kenmeri. This is a Yonmeri actually because it's a 4-door. This is one of 2 in the Philippines. And this is actually, this was my personal project. But a good friend of mine took over it, but I'm helping him 100% with the car. And it just, this car paves na ibang way din for me. Because, wala, mahilig ako sa luma eh. We want to show Philippine car culture in a global scale na kaya natin sumubay sa ibang bansa. We want to highlight car culture as much as possible here because I would say, well, nakita ko na yung car culture in Japan, US, and I've seen the Filipinos, how they do it. And yun, personally, magaling talaga Filipinos. I started from, I don't know, but I started from, well, passion and all, and basta nandun lang ako, kaya gusto ko yung lumang kotse.